Materials required are a square sheet of any size, a plastic sheet, a tissue paper, a black sketch pen, a pink highlighter or a sketch pen, some blue highlighters or sketch pen, white acrylic paint, paintbrush, and a spray bottle. Place the plastic sheet on the paper and apply a light blue highlighter and then a little bit dark blue sketch pen or a highlighter. Now sprinkle some water. Spread the color with your fingers. Remove the excess water from the paper and clean the plastic sheet. Repeat the same step with other colors. If you are not having a spray bottle, you can also use a wet paintbrush for this.